Name?
Hamud!
What's your name? Parrot.
Hamud!
What is your name? Call Hamud?
He's making his name is Hamud.
Hamud. Guli. Ivy? Call Ivy.
He don't know
Yubala. Yala parrot call Ivy. Ivy. Call Ivy.
He didn't know.
Yala call Hamud. Hada ayan ti parrot sa? He's calling Hamud. Uywa. Yala call Hamud.
Hamud! Hamud! Hamud!
Don't shout because if you shout, she will not talk. Call Hamud.
Hamud! Hamud! He don't know Hamud.
Bala, hino Hamud. Yala call Hamud.
Hamud! Hamud!
Go ask Mama Kuswa eat juice, yala. And then come here. Yala. After he will talk to me, Hamud, yala. Hi, Parrot. Hello, guys. Good morning. The Parrot. Alam mo bang tinawag niya yung pangalan na Hamud?
Hamud!
Dito kami siya, Shamali. Nandito ay yung Parrot, oh. Kinakausap ko. Hello? Parrot, yala, talk. Why you're not talking now? I hear you when I was sitting there. You said, Hamud.
Hamud!
Hamud. Hamud.
Hamud! Hamud ya Habibi. Hamud ya Habibi.
Don't talk.
Hamud.
Don't talk, Shama. I want to hear her calling Hamud. Stop. Don't talk. Hamud. What's up, guys? Hello. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Sana nasa mabuti kayong talaga. And happy Friday to everyone. Don't forget to watch and follow my video. Like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mama.
Wait till you see Hamud. He's eating first.
Yeah, she's eating.
Hamud! 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 Hamud!
Don't talk. She will talk now.
Hamud!
Bye-bye, Parrot. Bye-bye. You are not talking now, okay? When I hear you later, I will come, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Parrot.